Chrome keyboard shortcut to close other tabs. In Chrome we can close all the tabs in a window while keeping a selected one open. Is there a keyboard shortcut to close other tabs?
There is no keyboard shortcut I know of, and after checking Google forums, neither does anyone else. You could use the extension Close Inactive Tabs instead. This adds a button which closes all other tabs except the active one.
The shortcut key to close all other tabs is Shift-Tab if you install Amazing Tab Shortcuts, freely available in the Chrome Web Store. I use it frequently for scripts, which I suspect is your use.
None of them work. The easiest way is to right-click on the tab that you want to keep open and then click Close Other Tabs. The shortcut to close all tabs is Ctrl plus Shift plus W, to open a new tab is Ctrl plus T, and to close the tab you are on is Ctrl plus W. Also, if you close a tab by mistake and want to reopen it to the same page it was on, use Ctrl plus Shift plus T. Experiment with the rest like Ctrl plus Shift plus E, etc.
Here is an extension that assigns a keyboard shortcut to close other tabs. Works great on my Mac with Chrome Stable Channel.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.